Hello everybody. So I have a surprise for you today. Today we're going to be going on an adventure. So a little secret about me is that I'm from South Africa. So we're going to be traveling all the way to South Africa today during our class. So if you aren't already, I want you to sit on your magic mat for me. Now we have to turn our magic mat power on, and to do that we have to warm our bodies up. So we're going to do 2 big neck rolls to the right. Can you do 2 big neck rolls to the right? So we go 1, 2. Can you do 2 neck rolls to the left? 1, 2. We've got to do 2 big shoulder rolls forward. So can you do the biggest shoulder rolls forward? 1 and 2, and 2 big shoulder rolls back. 1 and 2. So now we have to close our eyes and stretch out our back. So we're going to open our knees, sit back, close our eyes, and we're going to count to 10. So can you count to 10 for me? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Slowly roll up. Open your eyes for me. And can you see our magic mats are flying over all the farms? And what do you see on the farms? Lots and lots of cows. And I spot a farm cat. So let's go into our cat and cow movement. So cats, what sound do cats make? They go meow. And what sound does a cow make? Moo. So can you show me your best cow and cat? Meow. Moo. Meow. Moo. Meow. Moo. So now that we've flown over all the farms, we have to fly over the big ocean to get to South Africa. So can you lie on your tummies for me, and can you give me your biggest aeroplane arms? So reach those arms out to the side, lift your chest up, and let's help our magic mat fly over the ocean. So can you see all the big waves? I see some dolphins jumping, flying over the ocean. And there's South Africa. Can you see it? So we're going to slowly land our aeroplanes and come up. So the first big animals I see are our big African elephants. And African elephants like to stomp around because they're so big. So can you show me your big stomping elephant? So we're going to stomp our arms and our legs up and down like big African elephants. So what else do elephants have? They have long noses, and those noses are called trunks. Can you reach your arm forward? Can you make it look like a trunk? Can you reach your opposite leg out and make it look like the elephant's tail? Can you hold it there? Try not to fall over. Scoop that belly button towards your spine for me. And other side. Can you make an elephant shape with your other arm and leg? Hold it there. Long trunk. Show me that long elephant nose. Reaching forward and come down. And the next African animal I spot is a giraffe. Can you see all the giraffes? And what do they all have? They've got nice long giraffe necks and long giraffe legs. So can you make your longest giraffe legs for me? So let's push up and make our long giraffe legs. And we're going to walk like giraffes. So can you lift your feet up and down and walk like a long, tall giraffe for me? Stretching those long giraffe legs out. And we're going to walk past all the elephants, all the giraffes, until we come to our big river. Can you see the river? Now we need a boat to start to paddle down the river. So can you climb into your boat for me? And let's row down the river. So grab your oar and we're going to row. So we're going to go back and row forward, rowing down the big river past all the elephants, all the giraffes. Make sure that you don't crash into any big rocks in the river. And the current of the river is starting to get a little bit stronger. So we've got to row a little bit faster. And now we have to make sure that we row past all the big rocks. So can you steer your boat away from all the big rocks for me? Steer your boat. Don't let it crash into any of the rocks. Oh no, there's a big, huge rock in front of us. Oh no, we've crashed and our boat has broken. So that means we've got to swim in the river now. So coming onto your tummy for me. Can you swim? Can you kick those legs and kick those arms as fast as you can? Swim, swim, swim through the river. And if you can, if you know how to do your breaststroke, let's do it. So we're going to take a nice big breath in and breath out as we lift up out of the water. Come down. Big breath in, big breath out as we do our breaststroke. In and out. In. Breathe out. In and out. And I see a big waterfall in front of us. So we have to roll down the waterfall. So can you turn your body into a big giant beach ball that we can roll down the waterfall? So make your body into a ball and let's roll down the waterfall. Can you see those big branches in front of us? Can you grab onto those branches? So try grab, hold, hold, hold onto the branches. We've got to try and get out of the water now. So we're going to climb up, out of the water. Big legs, big arms, climbing up, out of the water. Hold those tummies so you don't fall back down into the water. Let's climb out of the water. Whew. That was a big adventure in the river. Shh. Can you see the pride of lions over there? We've got to be very, very quiet and sneak past the lions. So past the mommy lion and past the daddy lion so they don't wake up. So can you come down onto your elbows for me and let's sneak past the lions. Shh, as quiet. Through the big long grass. Let's sneak past the lions. And look, we found the troop of monkeys. Can you see all the monkeys in the tree? So let's climb into the tree with the monkeys. Can you make a monkey shape for me? So can you sit like a monkey on your tree branch? And can you grab your bananas like a monkey? Reaching up to the very tip top of the tree to grab those beautiful yellow bananas. And can you hold onto one banana? Can you balance on your tree branch? Oh, you might be a little bit wobbly. Keep those tummies nice and held so we don't fall out of the tree. So now we've got to go back down out of the tree and we've got to come back onto our magic mat because it's time to go home. So can you lie on your tummy for me and make your big airplane arms so we can fly over the ocean, past all the African animals. So goodbye to the lions, the river, the elephants, the monkeys, and the giraffes. Flying over the big ocean, over all the farms. Can you see the cows and the farm cats? And we're going to land our aeroplane down. So we've got to turn our magic mat off. So we've got to go back to where we started. Reach those arms forward, close your eyes, and now we have to count backwards from 10. So let's go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly roll up. Open your eyes, come back onto your mat, cross those legs. So remember what was next. We had to roll our shoulders back. 2 big rolls back. Do you remember what's next? 2 big rolls forward. That's it. And after that, it was our neck rolls. So we're going to go to the left this time. 1 and 2. To the right. 1 and 2. Slowly roll up. Look around. And we're home. I hope that you all enjoyed our African adventure today, and I hope to see you soon for our next class. Bye!